Hello, class. This is the last lesson that we have in our immigration unit. This lesson is called Immigration and Citizenship. We've talked about what brings immigrants to America, whether it's push or pull factors, and what it means to be a citizen. There are several words that we're going to talk about. Guaranteed is the first one. A guarantee is something that's promised that something will be done or that a person will receive something or something that's made certain. I used a pinky promise because if you pinky promise with somebody, that means you're going to follow through and you're going to do that. The next word is jury. Now, this picture is a jury of kids, but you have to be 18 years old to be on a real jury or an adult. A jury, though, is a group of people chosen from the public to listen to facts during a trial in order to decide whether a person on trial is guilty or not guilty. Refugees are people who flee from their home country to a foreign country for safety. This picture of these refugees are probably people that have left a war-torn country trying to protect their children and their families. Because we have really amazing rights, we also have very powerful responsibilities that are our job to take care of. So rights are freedoms that the government cannot and should not take away. And responsibilities means that with our rights comes a responsibility, which are duties you are in charge of or things someone trusts for you to do.